Want to grow your own vegetables but worried about the cost? In this video, I'll show you how to build a raised garden bed for under $50 using simple tools, basic materials, and zero power saws. Let's get started. Raised beds are perfect if your soil is poor, your yard is small, or if you want a neat, organized garden space. They're easier to manage, reduce weeds, and warm up faster in spring, meaning an earlier harvest. Here's what you'll need: 3 to 4 untreated wood planks to buy 6 or to buy 8. Exterior screws, drill or screwdriver. Measuring tape, optional, corner brackets or scrap wood for support. Tip: use reclaimed wood or pallet boards to cut cost even more. We're making a simple 4 by 8 foot bed, which fits most backyards. Cut to boards to 8 feet and to boards to 4 feet, or ask your local hardware store to cut them for free. Now, screw the boards together at the corners. Use exterior wood screws for durability. If you want extra strength, add scrap wood inside the corners for support. Place the bed in a sunny spot. Most veggies need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Level the ground as best as you can for even water flow. Start with cardboard or newspaper on the bottom to block weeds. Then add a mix of topsoil, compost, and a bit of peat moss or coconut coir. Can't afford bags of soil? Ask local farms or city compost programs. More ways to garden on a budget. Use a rain barrel to save on water. Repurpose buckets or bins as extra planters. Start seeds at home instead of buying plants. Use kitchen scraps to build your own compost pile. Here's the final result. For your first season, try planting easy crops like lettuce, radishes, bush beans, or basil. You'll be amazed at how much food you can grow in such a small space. See, you don't need a big budget or big tools to build a beautiful, productive garden bed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY garden tips, and let me know in the comments what you're growing this season.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.